Thank you, guys. Sananga, my name is Nze Natugira. Naye soka kweyanza mukama eyakisoboje ffenna otulinza kucelebrate olwaleero nesi mama nkulamusiza syndicates balamusiza mwenna Sanyu, we are so proud of you. Abantu bangi bayebuuza Judith had ng'atabuse. Judith had yatandika ddi kwagala Cindy. When did Judith had become a syndicate? Okay, so today ababadde tebakimanyi Nze yastylinga Cindy for her video Ayokyayokya. Back in the days, and this time around, Cindy, why I went 150 out for you is because ekintu kyewalagenzi abawala bonna abato tulina abawala bangi that look up to us, and njagala okutegeeza ekintu kunze kyewandaga n'omuwala ali eyo wabweru kyewamulaga is you can do it all. Oli maama, oli mukyala mufumbo, oli muganda wa oyina baganda bo abawala, oyina maama. That's a lot of responsibility, and you put on a great show any time of the day. So with that alone, I respect you so much. Mama webale kuzaala omwana ayina talent, sister Ayokyayokya, and then Cindy's sisters, guys. Olwaleero mulina okutegeera when you work together as a family, that temwekuba nkokola mutuuka wala. Cindy stands strong because she has a very supportive team behind her, and among her team is her family. Her family is always there. You'll see this woman never basawa kumi n'emudafino jamulaba ku boda ng'adduka eno adduka eri, and this is why they always come out winning, because they work together as sisters. Cindy, I wish you nothing but the best in everything you do. I wrote something here for you. Yes, you read it? Okay. Thank you so much for having us here, Cindy. We are very proud. Webale obutatuswaza. Waliwo omuntu omu okuwagira omuntu n'atuka ku stage ne bakugamba yafunye atata. Ne bakugamba Cindy munange yakazaala naye teyasobodde kujja ku stage. So thank you so much. Tweyaza Mukama eyakuwa amaanyi n'akusobozesa olunaku n'olukuba lumalako bulungi. Abamawulire mwebale okuwagira Cindy. Si byangu naye mwena abali wano mwebale okubeerawo until today. Mwige n'otuwandikako ebintu ebirungi mututunde kusingako kye mukola. Mawulire ge Uganda, I ask you this kindly. Amawanga amalala aga Africa, their celebrities, their personalities are doing great because they work so well with the media. But to promote Nze muntu in your country, then the other nations will never see them. So abamawulire begayiridde, learn to promote your people, your country, in a great way for all of us to get more opportunities coming into our country. For God and my country, thank you. Syndicate, Banange Moyakale. Thank you.